back to my studio. I hope you're having a good day. We're going to try something new. Love to try something new. So we're going to try a Rinska style botanical abstract painting. Not sure if this is going to work. Haven't done it before. Have some new brushes. I've mixed up some paints. We'll see what happens. So let's get down to the table. Okay, we are going to try this on a 16 by 20 canvas. This was I played on and I repainted over top, so we'll see how that goes. So the colors I have for today, everything is falling over there. I have titanium white, that's Amsterdam, Arteza precious mint green, Amsterdam light gold, Amsterdam azo orange, Amsterdam Quinacridone rose, and Amsterdam permanent blue violet. All my paints except the titanium white and the mint green. Well, okay, these four are mixed with just water, the Amsterdams. The Arteza is mixed with, I think, Floetrol, and same with the titanium white, because they were already mixed up, and I just sort of wetted them down a little. We want our paints to be fairly thin. We want everything flowing, and the first thing that you do is you get your canvas sort of wet. So you want to start with sort of a damp surface. So I don't want to get it too wet because that would be bad. So I'm just going to put a very thin coat of water on, give it a nice brush around, just because we want to know that the canvas is damp. And that's just going to let our paints flow a little better. And I'm going to start with the green, I think. And then we're just going to sort of give it a whirl. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna think about it, and I'll give you some results. Okay, I've decided I want to add a little bit more, especially in the background areas. So I am going to get out my gold and something to put it in. Hold on. Okay, now I got my water. So I'm going to use my smaller brush and not my larger brush, because a lot of these areas I may even need the tiny brush to get into. And I'm going to take my gold and I just want to give a light wash to the background. Places that I wanted to add a little more. The lovely thing about this is it's so easy to just add more. It's always best to put the minimum and then go back later and add more if you want it. Okay, let me bring you down for a little close-up, and then we'll wait for some dry results. Okay, we are mainly dry, but not fully dry. I'll give you some dry results once it's done, but I just finished doing all that additions. I'm still thinking whether I want to play with it a little more or not, but I'm pretty happy for a first try with this type of application. All right, hang in there for dry results. Okay, final dry results. Not bad for a first try in a new technique. Sort of had some fun with it. Just sort of was playing with the colors, with the brush strokes. Some little additions here and there. And I'm glad I put that gold in the background. I like it so much better. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bells when you know I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please follow along the train. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, and then Betty with Oak by Betina. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great weekend.